Yeah. Far away.
Yes.
Hey, welcome back to Renee's Ways. So glad you're here. This is video 3 of a series that I'm making, so if you haven't seen video 1 or 2, please make sure that you catch up with those 2 as well. We woke up great and totally not by some workers were doing their job outside.
It's almost done.
Did some laundry and made ourselves some great breakfast and just got ready for our adventure of the day.
So we waited about 3 days to cross the fucking road, but we're off on a hike.
Turns out that you have to go to the other pole behind you to press the button. But we'll show you later.
This is not England, let me tell you.
It doesn't make sense. The question is, don't touch the bench. Does it mean don't touch it with your hand? Or like don't touch it by sitting on it?
Oh.
With your foot?
I don't know.
Like,
I mean, let's just walk.
warn others of your presence as you pass. Hello? Ding ding! The Europe is passing.
The European is coming. Well, good luck. It looks lovely. Don't fall in it though. That was pretty good. My foot. Foot in the mud.
What?
Did it bitch?
Oh, it's sand.
Oh, I am confused on.
But look at these big rocks. Rocks! Oh, that wasn't a good one. What is it really? It goes like, rocks!
No idea.
I still haven't found it. No, I still need to find that video to show you. Rocks! I like this! Look at all these! That's cool. I'm gonna try and get over there.
Yeah.
Rocks! I saw it. Woo! It just splashed me. It's like, don't take my stuff.
This one's cool.
Oh,
After seeing enough rocks, we found this really cool path where we took some nice pictures.
7. Okay.
what do we do? These pictures are gonna be so ridiculous. I love it.
Do like let's just have one of us just like laughing or something.
I almost fell.
We need to try to do.
You know when you ever have a dreams that you don't.
No, I mean like I think.
It's raining.
That just came out of nowhere.
No, excuse me. Entering the High George State Park.
Oh. Wait, is there
I like this. I'm literally scared to walk up here, but I'm just gonna make a picture. So they filled up the other end, I think.
Like it's done now.
Like the other side the train goes. I don't think I would feel comfortable like being on that train with all the bridges and stuff they have here. Ooh. Okay, I made it. Follow this road, or if we need to go like on a trail or something.
It usually says on the phone like it's clear as to whether.
Yeah, but I don't have internet anymore.
Oh.
So I'm just using what loaded when we left home.
Oh, okay.
I'm determined to make this to the end. Is it a map?
Yeah, seems like that.
Oh, saved. Oh, waterfall! I see waterfall.
If I can catch it. Where are we?
Yes.
Let's look up what it says.
Yeah.
Okay.
So we're back at where we just were, and there were two nice ladies that we just asked, like, there are waterfalls here, right? Like, how do we get there? And they went, oh yeah, they hide it. You go underneath the bridge to the right. Why? But she said that it's quite a hike still. We like already walked like, yeah, 2 hours. So I think it's like 3 miles that we already did. Okay, so we go this way.
Well, this is dodgy.
I agree. Oh, there's an arrow on the tree.
Oh, that's helpful.
Well, okay. Woo. How are you so fast?
I don't know if we can...
This trail is extremely dangerous. Oh no.
Ready? Hiking boots only, no sneakers.
Should we? What should we do?
Because we're here, and that's where the waterfalls are.
Oh no.
It's not like an easy...
Oh no.
But it says you can overlook the trail.
Should we overlook it? Well, it also says that it's closed.
Yeah, true. It also does say like trail closed with an X, and everything is X. You want to quickly go up here and see if we can see anything?
Okay.
That is the way to the trail.
Yeah, I'm not doing that.
No.
No. It just looks cool. Like with the stairs. Imagine people making this like years ago.
Yeah.
Down there.
Oh wow, yeah.
I think it was a well and now there's just a tree growing in it. And it's not a young tree, so follow the leader, follow the leader. You are the leader now, Asha.
And at this point we were getting a little concerned about our safety, so we decided to head back home.
This was just a fun trail though.
It was. No, I think it was fun, because I always used to get disheartened when I didn't get to the point.
But if they closed the way to the waterfalls because people were getting hurt,
Yeah, exactly.
I'm not gonna risk it.
Oh God, no, I'm not risking it for a triple risk.
No. Look at the little plants growing here.
I'm so proud of us. We've done a long. It's a frog.
No, it's not a frog. I wish it was a frog. Like, before we go the steep trail down, just like look around you. Like the top of the hill is there. The top of this hill is like there. So we're pretty high up actually. Wait, like that is where we need to go, like the bridge. So we need to go down. We need to find a way to go down. Yeet! Yeah. Yeet. Well, at least we didn't die.
Exactly. And we did all in action.
I just wanted to say, we walked like around this hill. So if you think about it, our little house is on the other side of this hill, like somewhere there. 2.3 miles to go. So we've reached the stars and the stripes. 1 more hour to go. There's Jim Thorpe. We made it, almost back home.
So we're on the hunt. We're on a hunt for pasta sauce. We're gonna try this because it reminds me of an English Tesco's. And it seems to have a shop. And it has a shop, so we're gonna try it out.
American gas stations. Kind of scare me.
So we found the sauce. We're just having a look at an American gas station. But look, they have food. Like what? What does it come in?
These are the movies that they have.
Yeah.
And then you like select, you rent the movie, and then you can pick up the disc coming out of there and you put it back in. I never saw this before. Excuse me. Yeah. Look. that is the button to cross here, but the button next to it is the button that you need to press if you cross here. That's why we were waiting so long this morning. Because the buttons just don't make sense. This shop is pretty nice though. If you're here, go here.
Oh. Oh no, it's still going.
Yeah, but that's not a real... I'm sure it's not a real clock.
No, I don't think so either. It sounds nice though. Oh my god. 5 hours later, we are back. With pasta sauce.
I was about to record the house too. Like, yes.
We're going home and lying down.
What did we do?
What the? Wow.
Look at the active time and like burn calories.
Oh my god. Okay, well we're gonna eat all the pasta tonight.
Yeah.
Oh my god, just heard me. Ah. I think it's good.
Okay.
Nice.
It's going quite fast actually. We don't have a strainer.
Renee needed her keys for dinner.
Yeah. Straw.
Whoa!
Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Wait, why did you do this so fast? I don't understand.
And after these awful dance lessons, we just watched some of my favorite funny
I
videos.
cannot do that anymore.
Hello. Oh.
Francesco.
Oh.
I did YouTube TV.
Oh, men, du skulle... Men... You went to say Meredith Grey. I... Okay then, let's play mashup.
No.
I'm Catholic.
Doing the bleach wash tonight. I was gonna do it tomorrow, but like
yours.
this out of your hair.
Okay, so I saved this to my list 2 years ago, so I don't remember what it is.
Oh, you have to smile though.
I don't know.
Okay, I'm saying yes because...
Okay.
I'm gonna prank my dad.
Oh, everybody knows this video. You don't? No. You don't?
What was that?
A bird.
Speaking about pants, how do you keep your pants up when you're performing? It's incredible. Belt.
Belt.
This is...
Look at him go. Look, 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 look. You know this one?
No.
You don't know this?
I knew the song, Into the Unknown.
Okay.
It's the like the shaky one on the side.
Alright,
Are you peckish?
No, I'm Turkish.
What?
Are you peckish? No, I'm Turkish.
What is
Peckish is are you hungry? Are you peckish?
No.
I'm Turkish. My mum says that. I'm gonna start saying no, I'm Turkish.